Laura here from Laura's Crafty Life. Today I'm going to show you how to use images in Cricut Design Space. The Cricut Design Space library has over 60,000 images available, with more being added all the time. To get started, open Cricut Design Space, select New Project, and click on the Images tool in the Design panel. This will open the image library. From here, you can search for images by simply scrolling through. You can type what you're looking for directly into the search bar to search all of the images. For example, if you want to make a flower, type the word flower into the search bar. You can also search by category. At the top, you'll see free this week, most popular, and recently added. Then, as you scroll down, you'll see a list of categories in alphabetical order. If you want to create a birthday card for someone, click on the birthday category and scroll through to find relevant images. You'll see things like banner pieces, cards, cupcakes, pretty much anything you would need to create a birthday project. As you scroll through, you'll see some images have the Cricut Access symbol. It's a little green flag with a lowercase a on it. These images are included with some of the different Access subscriptions. On each image, you'll also see an italicized I with a circle around it in the right corner. If you click on it, you'll see the image name, the image number, and the cartridge it belongs to. You can click on the link to the cartridge to see all the images in that cartridge. This can be really helpful when you want all of your design elements to have a particular look to them. You can search by cartridges. For those of you that used an older Cricut machine, you'll remember before Cricut Design Space and Cricut Craft Room software, you had to have a physical cartridge to use a Cricut machine. The cartridges usually have a theme, so this can be a great way to find the images you need for a project. You can purchase the entire cartridge, and this can often be less expensive than purchasing individual images. You can also purchase font cartridges to use with your machine. Some of the images have a little printer icon on them. This means that they're designed and ready to go to be used as a print and cut design. When you're using any of the search features, you can filter your results. So you click on Filter, and this will bring up My Images, Uploaded, Free, Cricut Access, Purchased. Also, you can filter by the type of image it is and how many layers it has. Since I had an older machine and I'd purchased a lot of cartridges for it, I was able to link the physical cartridge to my machine and use those for free in Design Space. If you're new to Cricut, being able to quickly find all of the free images can be really helpful to let you play around with the software before you invest in purchasing images or getting an Access subscription. So to select an image or images to use in your project, you simply click on it. This will highlight the image in green and also place a small icon down here at the bottom. You can select as many images as you like. So I'm just going to select a few here, and then once you have them all chosen, you're going to click the green Insert Images button. This will add all of the images to your blank canvas. From here you can resize them, change the color, and work with them however you want in Design Space. For each image, when it's selected, it'll have a box around it. In the top left corner is a red X for deleting. The top right allows you to rotate your image. The bottom right is to resize your image to make it bigger or smaller. And then the bottom left is to unlock or lock the image proportions. So if you have it unlocked, you can make the image thinner or taller. You can change it however you want to. If you lock it, it will keep everything in proportion as you're resizing your image. So let's say you want to delete an image. You simply click the red X in the corner. You can also choose the image in the Layers panel and click on the Delete button. Adding images to your project is easy. There are so many designs to choose from. Even if you're not a designer, you don't have to be intimidated to be able to create a beautiful project. Check back and subscribe to my channel for more Cricut Design Space Basics tutorials each week.